Hi guys, it's me Monica and this is Tonton's Mommy Jewel's pet white Pomeranian puppy. Today is Tonton's birthday and we're going to celebrate about his birthday today. And check this out, thank you. Hi Kuya Max! Nakita ba kayo ng pinsan mo? Ito si Tonton. Say happy birthday to Tonton. Happy birthday, Tonton! Love Kuya Max! Ito yung handa ni Tonton. May greenish, may lumpia, may gulay, may lechon, may isda. Anong isda to, nanay?
Ayungin.
Ito yung
Ayumi.
Ate, tikman mo yung take home kahapon.
Okay po.
Binagoongan.
Mami Jewel, video to.
Tabel, kain na.
Kain po.
Kain po.
Kain na.
Max. Sabi. Tonton.